Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If your truck has the factory engine shutoff and you're looking to get rid of that, well, I have a simple plug-and-play module that will take care of that issue so you never have to experience it again. I'm talking about the Autostop Eliminator plug-in module that will keep you from hitting that button every time the key is cycled. This little module will remember the setting you last kept it in and keep it there till you change it, even after the ignition is turned off and on again. So keep your truck from doing this with a simple plug-in module that goes to the back side of the factory button. Remove the side panels on the bottom side of the center console. The passenger side panel is held in place with retaining clips. For the driver's side panel, we will have to remove this cover to expose a 7mm screw holding the panel in place along with the retaining clips. To remove the cup holder console, lift up on the trim under the console lid. The console is held in place with retaining clips. Under the console, there could be a harness to disconnect. This will depend on which trim level you have. This model has one harness we will have to disconnect so we can lift the remaining console out of the way. To remove the radio trim, we will take our plastic trim tool and carefully pull up a corner to release the retaining clips. There are 9 clips holding the trim piece to the dash. On the bottom portion of the radio trim, there will be a trim cover that will need to be removed. There are 5 retaining clips holding this piece in place. To remove the radio cluster from the dash, we will have to remove the 6 T15 torque screws to loosen the panel. Once the panel is loose, we can then use our plastic trim tool to carefully ply the retaining clips loose, allowing you to angle the radio cluster in the forward position. With the panel in the forward position, you can access the connector for the factory auto stop button. Pull back the red retaining tab to disconnect the factory connector and place the Autostop Eliminator harness in line of the factory connector. After the harness has been placed in line, reinstall all the factory components to finish the installation and confirm operation. And there you have it, folks. Now we don't have to worry about pushing the auto stop button each time we get in and out of our truck. The plug-and-play module keeps the memory so we can simply drive normally without having to hit the button every time. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.